So, here's me, timing myself doing a socket. There we go. And we're off. Using the old CK croppers, chompers, whatever you want to call them. Everyone has their own bloody name for them. But, bit of LSF, stripping them back, terminating the socket. Timing myself, so if you want to watch till the end and find out the time, enjoy. This is my first little video on YouTube, reel, click, whatever they want to call it. But here's my little footprint, my little starting point on YouTube. There may be more to come, depends. But if you like it, like it. If you don't like it, then scroll on by or leave me a comment. I don't really care, but enjoy. I'm not the fastest spark in the world, but I'm a spark, and it's what I do. So you may see more, you may not.